Hey guys, today I'm showing you a new method people are using to launch memecoins with zero marketing, yet it's still pulling in surprising profits. It's a fresh trend in the memecoin scene. No idea how long it'll work, but for now it's getting real results. To get started, we only need one website. It allows you to launch a memecoin quickly and easily, bypassing weaker platforms like pump.fun, which are currently overloaded and inefficient. We'll go straight to the source, create the token, and immediately launch it into the memecoin trading market. I start by going to Dex Screener and picking a random popular meme coin to copy its name, symbol, and image. After choosing a meme coin, go to LUNA Mintify, click Create Token, and fill in the fields with the meme coin you chose. The key trick: you can change the token creator's address and replace it with a wallet that holds a large Solana balance. To find a good address, we can check out several groups on Telegram. I'll list the one I use in the description. It's one of the best. This creates the illusion that the token was made by a whale or a developer with deep pockets. We fake confidence in the project and it works. I add 3 SL and about 90% of the tokens to liquidity. This setup is generally used for memecoin launches and helps attract early traders and bots. Ideally, you use at least 3 SL for better traction, but you can start with less. Choose the wallet you want to use to control the pool. The wallet you paste here will manage all the liquidity, and then click Launch Token. Then I copy the address and send the exact sell amount to activate the pool. You can withdraw the liquidity anytime. There's no real risk. Now I click Check Transaction to confirm it. Then I copy the token address and paste it into Dex Screener. Instantly I can see the first buys coming in. Sniper bots are already on it. This is a real-life example of how to launch a meme coin on Solana fast and with minimal investment. Meme coin trading comes alive before your eyes. 15 minutes have passed. Snipers are already spending around $100 on each buy. If I pull the liquidity now, I can walk away with about 40, so that's an excellent return for a simple meme coin. And yes, this is one way how to rug pull, but it's all being done for demonstration purposes. I click Remove Liquidity, select 100%, and take everything into my wallet. Liquidity is withdrawn. The memecoin is rugged and it now shows clearly on Dex Screener. No need to confirm transactions on the site. The smart contract handles everything. Many meme coins on Solana still give traders profit even during a rug pull if they enter at the right moment. That's why memecoin trading is still alive, and methods like these, risky as they are, remain popular. This method of how to launch a memecoin and earn within a couple of hours has been tested by me personally. These meme coins work. The method's alive, which means more schemes and opportunities will emerge in the world of memecoin trading. And that's it. I'll see you in the next video, always bringing you the latest from the Solana.